Imagine looking at the helicopter from above. The tip path plane is the circular area traced by the tips of the rotor blades as they spin around the central hub. If the helicopter is in hover, this plane is usually parallel to the ground. As the pilot moves the cyclic forward or backwards or to the sides, the tip path plane tilts in the corresponding directions. The angle and position of the tip path plane can vary depending on how the rotor blades are being controlled. There is a relationship between the tip path plane and the helicopter's movement. The tip path plane's orientation relative to the helicopter's fuselage determines the lift and thrust produced by the main rotor blades. When the tip path plane is tilted forward, for example, the helicopter will move forward. Similarly, with the plane tilted to the side, the helicopter will move in that direction. The pilot controls the orientation of the tip path plane using the cyclic control. By moving the cyclic, the pilot changes the pitch of the rotor blades as they rotate, which in turn tilts the tip path plane in the desired direction of movement. In forward flight, for example, the advancing blade experiences a high relative wind speed than the retreating blade, leading to differences across the rotor disc. This results in a phenomenon which is known as dissymmetry of lift. The orientation of the tip path plane directly influences the direction of lift and thrust. By tilting the plane, the pilot can move the helicopter forward, backward, or sideways. By understanding and managing the tip path plane through the cyclic controls, pilots can precisely control the helicopter's movement in all directions. All you need to know as the pilot is push forward, push right, tilt right. It's not that hard. Be sure to like and subscribe this video. If you want to learn more about helicopters, I have a free course on getting started with helicopters. I also have a course on how to pay for flight school, and I also have a course on getting your private helicopter license. I'd love to help you out. Links are all down in the description below.